Approaching the question. Now think about the steps you would take to answer this question. Step 1. The first step is to read the question carefully. This question calls for you to identify, so you don't need to give much detail. As we saw earlier, if asked to identify, you are expected to select and name, so in this case name the different possible costs. Step 2. Now highlight the key words. In this case, they might look like this. What are some of the possible costs to an organization following an accident in the workplace? 8. Marks. Step 3. Next, consider the marks available. In this question there are 8 marks available. The question doesn't ask for examples, so it is reasonable to assume that for 8 marks, you would be expected to identify 8 costs. As the answer hasn't been limited to only 8 factors, feel free to give a few extra in order to maximize the chance of gaining full marks. However, don't go overboard. Watch the time. The question should take around 8 minutes in total. Step 4. Read the question again to make sure you understand it and have a clear understanding of the costs of accidents. Reread your notes if you need to. Step 5. The next stage is to develop a plan. There are various ways to do this. Add_circle. Your answer must be based on the keywords you have highlighted. Remind yourself, first of all, that you need to be thinking about what costs are there to an organization if there is an accident. Think broadly, not just about the more obvious costs.